Picture this. You're standing in your bedroom at 2 in the morning, frantically throwing random items into your suitcase because your flight leaves in 6 hours and you haven't packed a single thing. Sound familiar? Well, today, I'm about to save you from that nightmare and transform you into the most organized traveler your friends have ever seen. Whether you're jetting off on a girls' trip to Paris or escaping on a romantic couple's retreat to Bali, I'm going to break down everything that goes in my carry-on and checked luggage, plus share the packing hacks that have saved my sanity on over 50 international flights. But first, let me tell you about the time I forgot to pack underwear for a 10-day trip to Japan. Yes, it happened. And yes, I had to buy emergency undergarments at a convenience store in Tokyo. That embarrassing moment taught me the importance of systematic packing, and today you're getting my foolproof method that ensures you never forget the essentials again. Before we dive into the good stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'm constantly sharing travel tips that will make your adventures smoother and more memorable. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up in future videos about finding cheap flights and navigating foreign airports like a pro. Let's start with the star of the show, your carry-on bag. This little piece of luggage is your lifeline during travel, and I treat it like a survival kit. The number one rule is that everything in your carry-on should serve a purpose for either the flight itself or your first day at your destination. First up, documents and electronics. I use a dedicated travel wallet that holds my passport, boarding passes, travel insurance copies of important documents, and some emergency cash in the local currency. Pro tip, but always keep digital copies of everything stored in your phone or cloud storage, just in case something goes missing. My electronic setup includes my phone with a portable charger that has at least 20,000 milliamp hours because airport outlets are harder to find than a parking spot at the mall during Christmas. I pack my laptop, tablet, noise-canceling headphones, and all the necessary charging cables in a separate tech organizer. The key is keeping everything easily accessible for security checks while maintaining organization throughout your journey. Now let's talk about the comfort essentials that make those long-haul flights bearable. I never travel without a neck pillow, and I'm talking about the memory foam kind, not those inflatable disasters that deflate halfway through your flight. A lightweight blanket or large scarf serves double duty, keeping you warm on the plane and adding a layer for those unexpectedly chilly evenings at your destination. Eye masks and earplugs are absolute must-haves, especially if you're crossing multiple time zones. I also pack a small toiletry bag with face wash, moisturizer, toothbrush, toothpaste, and deodorant because nothing feels better than freshening up before landing after a 12-hour flight. For entertainment during the flight, I download movies and shows onto my tablet before leaving home because airplane Wi-Fi is about as reliable as weather predictions. I also bring a good book and a travel journal to document my adventures. These analog options never run out of battery and help pass time during those inevitable flight delays. The clothing strategy for your carry-on is crucial, especially for longer trips. Pack at least one complete outfit, including underwear and socks, in your carry-on in case your checked luggage decides to take its own vacation to a different destination. I learned this lesson the hard way during a connection in Amsterdam when my suitcase ended up in Munich while I headed to Rome. Choose versatile pieces that can work for multiple occasions and climates. A cardigan or lightweight jacket is perfect because airplane cabins can feel like the Arctic tundra, while your destination might be tropical paradise. Comfortable shoes for walking through endless airport terminals are non-negotiable, and I always wear my heaviest pair to save space in my luggage. Moving on to checked luggage, this is where the real magic happens. The golden rule is to pack everything you need, but leave at least 20% of your suitcase empty for souvenirs and shopping discoveries. Trust me, future, you will thank present you for this foresight when you're trying to fit that gorgeous handmade pottery from the local market into your bag. Organization is everything. When it comes to checked luggage, and packing cubes are game changers. I use different colored cubes for different categories, one for tops, one for bottoms, one for underwear and socks, and one for workout clothes. This system makes finding specific items effortless and helps you pack more efficiently by compressing your clothes. Rolling versus folding is the eternal packing debate, and I'm here to settle it once and for all. Rolling works best for casual clothes like t-shirts, jeans, and workout gear, while folding is better for dress shirts, blazers, and anything that wrinkles easily. The hybrid approach gives you maximum space efficiency while keeping your nicer clothes looking presentable. Shoes deserve special attention because they're often the bulkiest items in your suitcase. Stuff socks, underwear, or small items inside your shoes to maximize space utilization. Pack heavier shoes at the bottom of your suitcase near the wheels and wrap them in shower caps or plastic bags to protect your clean clothes from any dirt or odors. The toiletry situation requires strategic planning, especially with liquid restrictions. Pack full-size versions of your favorite products in checked luggage and bring travel-size essentials in your carry-on. Consider solid alternatives like shampoo bars and toothpaste tablets, which don't count toward your liquid limit and take up less space. For couples traveling together, coordination is key to avoiding duplicate items and maximizing luggage space. Divide shared items like hair dryers, phone chargers, and toiletries between your suitcases. This strategy also provides backup. In case one bag gets delayed, you'll still have access to essential items. Girls' trips require special consideration for group activities and photo opportunities. Pack versatile pieces that can be dressed up or down and coordinate with your travel companions to avoid everyone wearing the same outfit in photos. A portable steamer is invaluable for group trips because wrinkled clothes are the enemy of Instagram-worthy pictures. Weather contingency planning is crucial regardless of your destination. Check the forecast, but pack for unexpected changes. A lightweight rain jacket takes up minimal space, but can save your entire trip if tropical storms roll in unexpectedly. Layers are your best friend because they allow you to adapt to changing conditions throughout the day. Don't forget about laundry considerations for longer trips. Pack enough underwear and socks for your entire journey, because these items are hardest to wash and dry quickly. For other clothing items, research laundry facilities at your destination, or pack a small container of travel detergent for hand washing. Security and safety items often get overlooked, but they're incredibly important. A small first aid kit with band-aids, pain relievers, and any prescription medications can prevent minor issues from ruining your trip. Keep medications in original containers and bring copies of prescriptions, especially when traveling internationally. Technology backup plans are essential in our digital age. Besides your main phone charger, pack a backup cable and consider bringing a portable Wi-Fi hotspot for areas with unreliable internet connections. A universal power adapter is mandatory for international travel and can save you from hunting down the right plug type in foreign countries. The final piece of the packing puzzle is creating a comprehensive checklist that you can reuse for future trips. Start building this list based on items mentioned today and customize it based on your specific travel style and destinations. Having a master checklist eliminates the stress of remembering everything and helps you pack more efficiently each time. Remember that perfect packing is a skill that develops over time, so don't expect to master it immediately. Each trip teaches you something new about what you actually need versus what you think you need. The goal is to strike the perfect balance between being prepared and not overpacking. If you found these packing strategies helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips that will transform your adventures. I'm constantly sharing new techniques for finding amazing destinations, navigating airports, and making the most of your precious vacation time. Safe travels and happy packing, everyone.